Hello everybody and welcome to the next instalment of the WildLife Files for May the 6th, 2008. Yeah, this next clip is going out especially to Great Gig 1, Kaylin, because she loves the little babies. And I'd like to apologise to the lady down at the riverside if she's watching this video. I didn't mean to be disrespectful, but it does annoy me when you start throwing big chunks of bread to small baby ducks. You will choke them. They don't need it. Their mother will take care of them. So please, don't throw them big chunks of bread. With that out of the way, let's go straight to them and see those cute baby mallards. Well, here you go everybody. Here are the little mallards. There's 13. At least that's what I counted. Maybe we can still pause this and count it at a later date, but at the time, I'm sure I counted 13. I know that Kaylin, that's Great Gig 1, she loves these little things. Almost as much as I do. But I don't think she loves them as much as I do. Isn't that right, Kaylin? Just look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Well, there may be 12. Or 13, I'm not sure. Well, there you go. Beautiful, tiny, newborn mallard ducks. And as you can see, there's the bread. Please do not throw big lumps of bread in for little chicks. They will choke on them. The mother's doing a good job there of getting rid of it and getting them away from it. Good old mum. What would they do without her? Well, there you go. That was those cute little mallard ducks going out to Kaylin, Great Gig 1, and to everybody else who always asks about them. Up next, I want to let the tape run just for a couple of minutes and leave the sound to the birds. No music this time, no voiceovers, just pure birds and letting it all happen. I hope you enjoy. Okay, just in case you're wondering why the cormorant will sit or perch like he is with his wings out, it's because he is drying them off. Unlike most waterfowl, the cormorant does not have any oily repellents on his wings, so when he goes swimming, he gets soaking wet, literally. So he'll come out of the water, dry his wings off. He's an excellent fisher, and although fishermen don't like him, I love them. They are superb. Just look at those wings. How could anybody say they were a reptile? beyond me. Beautiful birds. There you go, that's it for this time. Hope you enjoyed listening to the sounds of the birds and watching them as much as I did. When you sat out there watching them, it's completely different because you can see above and all around you. Whereas when you're watching a video, you can only see what's being seen through the lens. It is awesome. I just love it. Can't get enough of it. So that's it from me. Until the next time, may your God guide you and keep you all safe and well. Peace out.